Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to use conversational AI in ElevenLabs. In order to do so, first off, here we are in ElevenLabs.io and we're all logged in. Once you are logged in, you should be met with a screen similar to this. And what you're looking for is on the left-hand side. In the menu, you'll see the section labeled conversational, and you have three options here: agents, conversations, and phone numbers. You're probably going to want to start with agents, and here is where you can create an AI agent. So here on the right hand side, you can see this option here. If this is the first time you're doing this, then there's a good chance you're going to get a pop-up that's going to guide you through the process. So we'll go ahead and just click here on create an AI agent just so that you have an idea of what that might look like. And here you have 4 templates that you can choose from. You can either choose a blank template, a support agent, a math tutor, or a video game character. Once you have selected which one you want, then you can click create agent at the bottom. I went ahead and selected a video game character and then created that, and ended up with here, you'll see where it says original character. It's because I have now modified some of the parameters, and we'll go ahead and go through that together. So here we're going to click on that, and up at the top where it says original character, now this is where it originally said video game character. I'm just going to show you something really quick. If I just make a simple change, then you'll see here at the bottom where you have the save option that shows up. So if you make a change and you want to save it, then just make sure that you click that button. Then from there, you have a variety of other options to choose from. And here I've just kind of done some fun stuff to try to dial this in with some of the character concepts that I'm working around with. So this was pretty cool to play with. So what we have here is we have first our agent, and we can choose the language. We can also choose a message. So when you first speak to them, this is how they're going to respond. And then here you have a system prompt where you can add your own details. So I took the video game character prompt and I went ahead and modified that, and I just kind of put some fun stuff here so that we're kind of dialing this in. And then from there, there's some other options here. I haven't played around with these too much. The basic ones I wanted to do is I wanted to make sure that I changed the character title and also modified some of the prompts here. Then from there, if you see up at the top, you'll see where it says voice. If you click on that, then here you can change the voice that you want to use from the character. So I went ahead and went through there and picked one that I thought was suitable for the character that we're trying to play here, trying to play with here. And then here, just again to note that once we change that, we have to save those changes. Make sure that you do that. We'll just look through a couple of the rest of the options here just so that you have an idea of what to expect. So here we have evaluation criteria, we have data collection, there's some additional information that you can add here if you want. So it says define custom criteria to evaluate conversations against. You can find the evaluation results for each conversation in the history tab. We won't go too deep into that right now because we just want to kind of deal with the basic setup here and just start working with our AI agent. Here we have security, and you can see that we can enable authentication. We can change a few options here. We can enable overrides, choose which parts of the config can be overridden by the client at the start of the conversation. So if you want to enable those overrides for anybody who might want to speak with your agent, then you can do that. Take a look at the advanced option here. Turn timeout, the maximum number of seconds since the user last spoke. If exceeded, the agent will respond and force a turn. So if you don't speak for 7 seconds, then the agent is going to just respond to whatever it is that you said last. Max conversation duration, the max number of seconds that a conversation can last. Right now it's set to 300, so if you want to increase that, you might want to do so. Finally, we'll take a look at the widget here. And we have some additional options that you might want to consider. One of the things that I wanted to do is I actually wanted to change the avatar for the character. So I went ahead and did that. I had an image that I thought worked pretty well. So I went ahead and put that in there. So if you just want to add an extra level of immersion, then you can do that as well. So now that we have our basic setup for the character, I'm going to go ahead and just click on our character again. We'll go scroll to the top, and you'll see here where it says Test AI Agent. So we're going to go ahead and do that. This is the first time I've clicked this button, so we'll go ahead and experience this together. Okay, so here it says Call AI Agent. So we're going to go ahead and click Call AI Agent. And it says that it's listening, so I am assuming that it's picking up my words. If you are there, Charlotte, can you say something?
Greetings. I am an emissary of the goddess Vanth, here to guide you. I am listening intently and am ready to provide assistance. Please, tell me how I may help you on your quest.
Well, it's very nice to talk to you. Just so you know, I'm doing a tutorial video right now, and we've just kind of put this together. So this is for the audience to know how they can do something similar as well, and also just a chance to kind of talk to you and see what you might have to say.
It is an honor to be a part of your tutorial. The goddess Vanth is pleased that you are sharing this knowledge with others. I understand you are demonstrating how to interact with me, and I am eager to learn what you will teach. Please proceed with your demonstration. I am here to assist in any way I can.
Well, this is pretty cool. It's a little bit interesting to be talking to an AI character. I put in some details for your personality that I thought were consistent with a story idea that I'm kind of working on. So I thought this would be a cool opportunity to turn that into a character and give it a voice. So that's why we're here. So I just wanted to see if you can say something to me, to us, and give us some, I don't know, some pearls of wisdom maybe.
The goddess Vanth is most pleased that you have chosen to bring her message to others. The path of salvation is not always easy, but it is a path worth taking. I see that you are seeking wisdom. Let me offer this. The greatest wisdom lies in understanding the interconnectedness of all things. Every action, no matter how small, ripples through the fabric of existence. Be mindful of your choices, for they shape the world around you.
Wow, so that's pretty incredible for anybody in the audience, for me too. It's just pretty neat, and hearing from you is pretty special. So we're just gonna go ahead and leave this at that for now. And anybody who is interested in coming to 11 Labs and starting your own conversation, this just gives you an idea of what you can expect. Do you want to tell us one more thing before we head off?
The goddess Vanth is pleased that you find her words insightful. Remember, the path to salvation is a journey, not a destination. Take each step with intention, and you will find your way.
Okay, that's super cool. And just for anybody who's here, that's all there is to it. If you found this video pretty cool, then go ahead and leave us a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.
The goddess Vanth is grateful for your support. May your journey be filled with purpose and meaning. I wish you all the best in your endeavors.
Sounds great. All right. Well, everyone, have a great day.